Welcome back to part 2 of topic 33, solving exponential equations. We're going to end this with 2 more practice problems. So example 3, we have 81 times 9 to the negative 2b minus 2 equals 27. So here we want to think, can these all be rewritten as the same base? Now you could do this one of 2 ways. You could take into account all of the bases that you see here, or you can break it up. For the sake of this video, I'm going to break it up so it's a little bit more manageable. So we're not going to deal with the 27 right now. We're just going to deal with the left-hand side. You could rewrite it using as the incorporating the 27, and I can also share that on the other side, so you can kind of choose whatever floats your boat. So first, we're going to ignore the 27. And if we just look at our bases, 81 and 9, remember this is going to be 81 to the first power, we can rewrite that as a common base of 9. So 81 is 9 squared, and then we have 9 to the negative 2b minus 2, and that will equal 27. So here, since we have the same base of 9, in order to simplify this, we can add our exponents. So we get 9 to the 2 minus 2b minus 2 equals 27. So here our 2 and our negative 2 will cancel. So we'll end up with 9 to the negative 2b equals 27. So now we can pull in our 27. Now if we think about a common base for both 9 and 27, that would be 3. So 9 is 3 squared raised to the negative 2b, and 27 is 3 cubed. So on the left-hand side, we'd get 3 to the negative 4b, because remember when we have the same, when we have a power raised to a power, we get to multiply. And that would equal 3 to the third. So here we can, now that we have the same base, we can set them equal. Negative 4b equals 3. Divide both sides by negative 4. So b equals negative 3/4. Now, if we wanted to do this entire problem over, but include the 27 initially, the common base in between 81, 9, and 27 would be 3. So 81 is going to be 3 to the 4th times 9 is 3 squared. That would be raised to the negative 2b minus 2. And 27 is 3 cubed. So here, if we want to simplify this, this would be 2. We'd have to distribute that 2. Power raised to a power. So we get 3 to the 4th times 3 to the negative 4b minus 4 equals 3 to the third. On the left-hand side, we notice that we have the same base, so we can add them. So we get 3 to the 4 minus 4b minus 4 equals 3 cubed. If we have a positive 4 and a negative 4, those cancel out. So we get 3 to the negative 4b equals 3 cubed. Now that they have the same base, we can drop it and get negative 4b equals 3. Divide both sides by negative 4. And we get our same answer of b equals negative 3/4. So it's up to you. If you want to ignore 27 right off the bat, you can. If you want to include it in your thought process, you also can. Okay, last problem. Here we have 81 to the 3n plus 2 divided by 243 to the negative n power equals 3 to the 4th. So our right-hand side is super handy because it is already set up in this kind of condensed exponent form. We have base and our exponent here. On the left-hand side, that's where we're going to do the most of our rearranging. So the smallest common base between 81 and 243 is 3. 81 is going to be 3 to the 4th. All raised to the 3n plus 2 over 243 is 3 to the 5th, raised to the negative n. That's equal to 3 to the 4th. Here, since we have power raised to a power, we can apply that. Same there. So 3 to the 4 times 3n is 3 to the 12n. 3 to the 4th, and then plus that 2. So we get 3 to the 12n plus 8. 3 to the 5th raised to the negative n would be 3 to the negative 5n. And set that equal to 3 to the 4th. Now here with exponents, when we have the same base and we're dividing, we're not going to add our exponents, but we're going to subtract. So we get our base of 3 to the 12n plus 8 minus our negative 5n equals 3 to the 4th. Now here we have a negative times negative, so they become positive. And we get 3 to the 12n plus 8 plus 5n gives us 17n plus 8 equals 3 to the 4th. Now that we have the same bases, we can drop that out. I'm going to rewrite that up here. So we get 17n plus 8 equals 4. Two-step equation, subtract 8 from both sides. 17n equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 17. And n equals negative 4/17. And that's our answer. So your homework is quizzes topic 33, solving exponential equations. It's online. It will be linked on Google Classrooms. And thank you for watching.